How's it, beautiful people?
How's it, everyone? So this morning we are on our way to Thapsos, which is a peninsula between Augusta and Siracusa. This peninsula called Magnesi, apparently it dates back from the Middle Bronze Age. The particular thing is that it's in a weird place. Do you want to explain where it is, Mas?
Okay, it is. Many years ago they opened up an industry, so where they refine oil and they make a lot of chemicals. So it's between these this big industry. It's a petrol industry. It's all kinds of different solvents, and they make different products.
Yeah, and unfortunately it's not a pretty place.
Not a pretty sight, no.
But we've been wanting to come to this Thapsos culture place, centre.
It's quite new to us as well. So,
yeah, we've never been, so we're gonna have a look, and we'll let you know if it's worth coming or not.
Well, it definitely is worth seeing, but yeah, we'll show you around.
This tower is called the Magnesi Tower, and it was built in 1806, so obviously not in the Bronze Age. It was built by the English to protect them against the French. On the peninsula you will find quite a few of these circular formations, and it was really hard to figure out what they were, and I couldn't really find out a lot of information about them. But eventually I did, and I found out that they were used for the anti-aircraft artillery during World War II, and we found a lot of the underground bunkers quite close to these circular formations. I will be honest, I had to come back again because I didn't know what I was looking for, and I didn't know what these things were. So when I came home, I did a little research, and then I understood, and I came back again. But I still couldn't really figure out what was a bunker. I mean, this looks like a bunker to me. And what was an underground tomb? This is another bunker, I guess. But I wish that there had been a little bit more information on the actual peninsula. That would have really helped. I mean, I don't know if this is a bunker or if this is a tomb. So it's a little bit mixed up, but it's very, very interesting. Here is another, I think, tomb, but it could be a bunker. If anybody knows the difference between the two, I would really appreciate it if you could write it in the comments below. Here we go. Here's another bunker, I presume. We still couldn't find the necropolis, but we found a beautiful abandoned masseria, which intrigued us, so we decided to adventure and to go in. Very eerie. Very strange. The sound of the barriers, like it's a tunnel.
Yeah, it's really eerie.
What's this tunnel? This
I don't know, we'll have to
investigate. I think that goes underneath because there's a series of tunnels that lead.
Have a look.
Will it just be careful?
Okay.
What is it?
It's a stairwell. I'm going up.
So bang.
I'm going up.
Hey.
Come, follow me. Pretty nice up here.
It goes down as well.
Come on, come up. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. La terrazza. Yeah. It's not that bad, is it? Beautiful view. Hey, look, babe. Look at the necropolis down there. Look. Let's go over there. That's where it is. It's all the caves over there. Okay, so that's where we're heading to, right?
This circular tomb is a Tholos or oven-shaped tomb with niches all around it. Apparently beautiful pottery was found in the niches and inside the tomb and around this area. A lot of that beautiful pottery is found in the Paolo Orsi Museum, which is in Syracuse. I have been there a couple of times and it is really worth your while.
Oh yeah, there you go, got the Queen sitting down there. It's actually quite a great sight out looking out that way.
So if you want to come here, I think your best bet would be as you walk through the side of the gate is closed, but there's a section where it's open. As you walk through, stick to your left. Yeah. What we did is we carried on the right,
yeah, we went the opposite
and we couldn't find anything. We were getting frustrated, so then we came back and we just realized that everything is on the left. There are no indications whatsoever. No. So we just went sort of by exploring, old school exploring, which is quite, you know, if you're into that type of thing, then that's great.
It is quite a bit of a walk to walk around the whole island, well, the peninsula, because it's big.
If you're not used to walking, then it is quite, and if you're doing it in the summer period.
It's actually, in the end of the day, we have found what we were looking for.
Yeah, we found what we're looking for. It's very old. Apparently, as I said, it dates back to the Bronze Age. Yeah. But it's very disappointing because it's in the middle of a factory, a big oil factory, and you can tell that they've taken over basically, and they haven't looked after this ancient place, which is such a shame. It really is.
Can you hear when you're speaking how it echoes? It's actually quite it's quite sound bearing, isn't it?
Yeah, especially with your voice.
Okay. Yeah, alright, so let's get on with it.
Yeah.
Carry on walking. Right, see you in a bit.
Good.
Right, shall we go in and have a look? This is a different type of
same sort of
cave.
Thing. Same sort of thing.
It's made differently though.
Yeah, no niches though. Yeah. Or maybe they were, but they've...
There's a higher roof. Yeah, okay. Another small one. I love the scene you see out of it.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It's pretty pretty, isn't it?
The entrances to the tombs are made in two different ways. One, vertical tomb entrance, if the tomb was situated on a flat level, or, as in this case, dromos or corridor of the tomb was dug on the rocky shoreline facing the sea line. As you can see here, there's a corridor dug from the rocky shore all the way into the tomb. Not sure why they used to do that. I read apparently maybe because of the level of the sea when it came in, it was then easy to go out again. But apparently the level of the sea in the Bronze Age was a lot lower than it is nowadays. Sicily has so much beauty and history to offer, but there was something about this peninsula that really, really fascinated me. And I was actually quite shocked because I didn't think it would. Maybe it was because of the Bronze Age, I don't know. Or maybe it was because there wasn't a lot of information about it, but I really recommend it to everybody. Wow. So many of them! My goodness! 3rd of January in Sicily, and we have our rooftop open. Can't complain about bad weather here, can we?
Buongiorno, ci fai una busta un po' di spinaci?
A quant'è?
Basta?
Ma quando è questo? Sta vedendo questo? Ah? Quando è? Sempre. Sempre, sempre tu. 2 euro, io a te. Tu a me magari. 2,50 euro, 3,50. 2. Era pura. 1 euro mangiare. Arrivo, aiutatemi.
We could have got them from Pasquale, vabbè.
Dov'è Pasquale?
Non lo so.
E la casa dove sta?
Eccolo Pasquale, Maria! Pasquale!
Pasqua.
Sì, una mazzetta basta.
Sì, va bene, 57.
Anzi, facci due.
Grazie.
Figa. Show you what this is for.
This is one of my favorite dishes that Massi cooks so well. This is not a typical Sicilian dish. This is a Roman dish, and they're called artichokes alla romana. The Sicilians do them completely different, and maybe one day I will show you how they do them. Hope you've enjoyed this week's episode. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much. And for everyone else, if you consider subscribing, it would make us very happy. Thank you, and see you next time.